There are two helpful list handling functions provided by Python to perform computations on lists. The first one is called map, and it enables regular functions to accept and return iterables. It is extremely useful when functions are to be applied to all elements of a list. Let's work on this example. Create a feet to meter conversion function to convert the elements of the list shown here. Let's create the function. Let's call it m. Let's try to use the function directly with the list elements. So, however, we get a type error message. Can't multiply sequence by non-int of type float. So that means the function requires a single number. For example, it works with, but a list is not accepted in this function. So how can we make this function accept elements or accept the list and return the transform list? We use map, and we use the function name first, as you see in the definition, and then iterables, which means the list. So we copy paste the list here. Now, map returns a map object. It doesn't return a list directly. So we need to add a conversion function, which is list. So in this way, so as you see, every element in this list is converted to meters. The second function is called filter, and it returns the items according to a conditional function. This is a specific or special function. So the lambda actually is used to define a filtering function or filtering criteria. For example, if we want to extract the even elements and store them into a new list from this list of A, so we want to use the filter function to get these elements according to a condition. So this is the list, and then we say even equals to lambda x, and here we put the condition. We say x modulus 2. Modulus is the remainder of the integer division. If the number is even, the remainder always will be 0. If it is odd, the remainder will be 1. So we prepared the function even in order to use the filter function. Then we say list, then we say filter, and even, the name of the function which has the criteria or the condition of filtering, and of course the list. And as you see, it took every even element and put it inside a new list. We notice here that the operation doesn't change A. We see that A is still the same. So for that reason, we can use it safely without fearing that A will be lost or changed. If we need the values, of course, we can save it in a variable like L. So L will have the new values.